Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome to Travel Partner Official. Today we're whisking you away to Lisbon, Portugal, a city that's bursting with history, culture, and charm. Get ready to soak up the sun, savor delicious food, and explore captivating neighborhoods. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming travel adventures. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we'll guide you through the very best that Lisbon has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking an unforgettable European getaway, Lisbon has something special in store for you. So, pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and let's dive into the heart of this captivating city. Get ready for an amazing journey through the best 12 things to do in Lisbon. Our Lisbon adventure begins on the banks of the Tagus River, where we encounter the iconic Belém Tower. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, built in the 16th century, stands as a testament to Portugal's age of discovery. The tower's ornate architecture, a blend of Gothic and Manueline styles, is simply breathtaking. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight that transports you back in time. Just a stone's throw from Belém Tower lies another architectural gem, the Jerónimos Monastery, a prime example of the intricate Manueline style named after King Manuel I. Be amazed by the elaborate carvings and maritime motifs. Step inside to find serene cloisters, a tranquil oasis. Discover the tombs of Vasco da Gama and Luis de Camões. Appreciate the stained glass windows' artistry. Visit the church, a Gothic and Renaissance masterpiece, a testament to Portugal's rich history and artistic prowess. Now it's time to experience Lisbon like a local aboard the iconic Tram 28. This vintage tram line takes you on a charming journey through the city's most historic neighborhoods. Hop on board and rumble past pastel-colored buildings, narrow cobblestone streets, and hidden squares. The tram's rickety charm and the clang of its bell add to the nostalgic ambiance. Be sure to have your camera ready to capture the picture-perfect moments as you wind your way through the heart of Lisbon. The tram takes you through the districts of Graça, Alfama, and Baixa, offering glimpses of daily life and local culture. Keep an eye out for the beautiful viewpoints or miradouros along the way, where you can hop off and soak in breathtaking views of the city. Riding Tram 28 is an unforgettable way to experience the soul of Lisbon. Next, we venture into Alfama, Lisbon's oldest and most atmospheric district. Prepare to get lost in a maze of narrow, winding streets lined with colorful houses adorned with azulejos, traditional Portuguese tiles. As you wander through Alfama, you'll be transported back in time. The scent of freshly baked bread wafts from local bakeries, and the sound of Fado music, Portugal's soulful and melancholic music, spills out from tiny taverns. Be sure to visit the Lisbon Cathedral, the city's oldest church, and explore the Castelo de São Jorge, a Moorish castle offering panoramic views of Alfama and beyond. In the evening, settle into a traditional restaurant and savor authentic Portuguese cuisine, while enjoying a live Fado performance. Alfama is a feast for the senses, and a place where you can truly immerse yourself in Lisbon's rich culture. From the historic charm of Alfama, we now head to LX Factory, Lisbon's trendy industrial chic district. Housed in a former textile factory complex, LX Factory is a creative hub bursting with art, design, and innovation. Browse through independent boutiques showcasing Portuguese fashion and crafts, and discover unique souvenirs to take home. When hunger strikes, choose from a variety of trendy restaurants, cafes, and bars, offering everything from traditional Portuguese cuisine to international flavors. Be sure to check out Ler Devagar, a bookstore housed in a former printing press, and explore the vibrant street art that adorns the factory walls. LX Factory is a testament to Lisbon's evolving urban landscape and its vibrant creative scene. Whether you're a fashionista, a foodie, or simply seeking a dose of urban cool, LX Factory is a must-visit destination. No trip to Lisbon is complete without a visit to São Jorge Castle, perched atop the highest hill in the city's center. This ancient castle, dating back to the Moorish era, offers breathtaking panoramic views of Lisbon's rooftops, the Tagus River, and beyond. As you explore the castle's ramparts, you'll feel a sense of history washing over you. Imagine the Moorish kings who once ruled from this strategic vantage point, and the Christian reconquest that shaped Portugal's destiny. Be sure to visit the Camera Obscura, which projects real-time images of the city onto a screen, offering a unique perspective of Lisbon's landmarks. Take your time to wander through the castle's gardens, enjoy the tranquility of the courtyards, and soak in the magnificent views. São Jorge Castle is a symbol of Lisbon's resilience and a reminder of its rich and layered past. Now let's head to Rocio Square, the vibrant heart of Lisbon. This bustling square is a hub of activity where locals and tourists alike gather to soak up the city's lively atmosphere. Admire the intricate wave-patterned pavement and the elegant fountains that grace the square. Take a seat at one of the outdoor cafes, sip on a bica, Portuguese espresso, and watch the world go by. From Rocio Square, you can easily explore some of Lisbon's most iconic landmarks, including the National Theatre and the Elevador de Santa Justa, a wrought iron elevator offering stunning views of the city. Be sure to visit the Rocio train station, a beautiful example of Portuguese architecture, and admire its neo-Manueline facade. Rocio Square is a great place to start your Lisbon adventure and get a feel for the city's vibrant energy. Prepare to be amazed at the Lisbon Oceanarium, one of the largest indoor aquariums in Europe. This architectural marvel, located in the Parque das Nações district, is home to diverse marine life from around the world. Encounter playful penguins, graceful sharks, colorful fish, and a giant sunfish. The centerpiece is a massive central tank representing the global ocean. Learn about ocean conservation and the interconnectedness of all living things. It's a fun and educational experience for all ages. No exploration of Lisbon would be complete without immersing yourself in the world of Azulejos, Portugal's iconic painted tiles. At the National Tile Museum, housed in a former convent, you'll discover the history, artistry, and cultural significance of these beautiful ceramic squares. Marvel at intricate tile panels depicting historical scenes, religious motifs, and everyday life. Learn about the evolution of azulejo designs, from the Moorish influence to the distinctive Portuguese style that emerged in the 16th century. The museum's collection spans centuries, showcasing the evolution of tile-making techniques and the artistry of Portuguese tile masters. Don't miss the impressive panoramic azulejo panel depicting Lisbon before the devastating earthquake of 1755, offering a glimpse into the city's past. A visit to the National Tile Museum is a journey through Portugal's artistic heritage and a testament to the enduring beauty of azulejos. Just a short train ride from Lisbon lies Sintra, a town straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled amidst the lush hills of the Serra de Sintra, this enchanting destination is home to whimsical palaces, colorful castles, and mysterious gardens. Explore the Penha National Palace, a riot of color and architectural styles perched atop a hilltop, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Wander through the romantic gardens of the Quinta da Regaleira, filled with hidden grottos, mystical symbols, and an enigmatic initiation well. Visit the Moorish castle dating back to the 8th century and enjoy panoramic views of Sintra and the coastline. Sintra is a place to let your imagination run wild and to escape into a world of fairy tale charm. Be sure to spend a full day exploring the wonders of Sintra, and don't forget your camera to capture the magic. For a relaxing escape from the city, hop on a train to Cascais, a charming coastal town just a short distance from Lisbon. Known for its beautiful beaches and lively marina, Cascais offers the perfect blend of relaxation and recreation. Spend your day soaking up the sun on the golden sands, or take a refreshing dip in the Atlantic Ocean. Stroll along the picturesque promenade lined with palm trees and cafes, enjoy the fresh sea air, explore the charming town center with its cobblestone streets and boutiques. Visit the Museu Conde de Castro Guimarães, housed in a beautiful seaside mansion, or explore the citadel of Cascais, a 16th century fortress with stunning views. Cascais is the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of the Portuguese Riviera. As the sun sets on Lisbon, the Bairro Alto neighborhood comes alive with a vibrant energy. Known for its lively nightlife, Bairro Alto is home to a plethora of bars, clubs, and restaurants, offering something for every taste. Start your evening with a traditional Portuguese dinner at one of the neighborhood's many restaurants, and savor delicious seafood, grilled meats, and local wines. As the night progresses, the streets of Bairro Alto fill with locals and visitors alike, all out to enjoy the city's electric atmosphere. Hop from bar to bar, each with its own unique ambience and music selection, from traditional Fado houses to trendy cocktail bars. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Portuguese people as you mingle with locals and fellow travelers. Bairro Alto is the perfect place to experience Lisbon's vibrant nightlife and create unforgettable memories. Lisbon, you've captured our hearts. From your stunning architecture and rich history to your delicious food and vibrant culture, you've left an unforgettable mark on our souls. We hope this video has inspired you to add Lisbon to your travel bucket list and experience the magic of this captivating city for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel inspiration and adventures from around the world. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy travels.